So here's the transfer tool and see how it works. So for you to start your path through the transfer tool, you will need to answer with yes so it asks you, would you like to use the unofficial course matching tool, and you said yes. After that, it's going to ask you for a certificate. So you will have to choose like just one certificate, whatever the certificate you want to. So I tried to put bachelor's in software development, and it says sorry, I didn't understand. So I tried again with a bachelor's, but it mentioned the same thing. Okay, so I just choose just a certificate. So I choose IT Fundamental, so you can choose whatever you want. And after that, it's going to ask you for the EPEDS ID. I use BYU Idaho, which is this number. You can find the EPEDS ID by going in this part, and you're going to find it in the right side of your page. But also you can find a tutorial on where to find it. So here's the tutorial if you want to take a look at it. And after that, it's going to ask you for the PDF. So you have to have like a PDF of your transcript. So you can just upload it in here in this chat, and it's going to take you like 15 minutes or so to have your response back.